Morning. So we captured the swarm on Sunday. It is now Wednesday. It is 8 a.m. We're going to check on the swarm. I'll show you inside. We've already verified that the girls are in there, which is great news. And I will show you here. Should be able to see what I saw here. Get a little bit of smoke away. Which is a lot of happy bees inside there. So you should be able to see in there, and they're moving around a little bit. So that's good news. And now we're going to do an inspection, and I'm going to add another layer on top of this hive, because they're pretty packed in there. I was a little worried that they were going to swarm again, because there's a lot of bees in there. And if I had to do it over, that many bees, I probably would have added a second layer on top of here. So the rule of thumb is 70%. 70% full, you add another layer. More or less than that, you can have swarming issues. There's either too much space in there or there's not enough. I feel like not enough is a bigger problem. So we've got our hive tool, brush, smoke, fully suited up. See here, this hive is slamming. There are a lot of bees in here, and they're going to be really happy to have another level to start expanding on. So I'd also like to get a gander at is, these are a different style bee than we have in the rest of the apiary. And they're starting to wake up. It's okay, girls. Take it easy. Take it easy. Good morning. How are you? Ha! I'm going to open a couple frames here. I don't want to really disturb them too much. I think I'm going to stay away from... Nah, let's open it up for once. So we get a full frame of bees here. I don't see any brood in here. That's okay. You don't have to. Of course, yeah, no problem. Trying to get together a bunch of video, uploading to my YouTube feed. So.
What's your YouTube?
My name's Sean Sanker, S-A-N-K-E-R.
Okay.
I'm going to fast forward this section. There was a person that stopped by to speak with me during their morning walk.
Won't be very aggressive, so I'm happy about that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna smoke them and put them a little bit off the edge. Try not to kill any. A little unavoidable. Quick brush, and then I'm gonna do a kind of swipe. The theory is that push them to the side. Okay. What's that? Now they have a whole nother level to join. Clear off any of the wax on the top here. Now what I'm putting in here is frames from last season. They're partially extruded. You can see the bees are already all over. They're already checking it out. So this is extruded frame from last year and then harvested honey. And the bees will take this, they'll clean it up, and this saves them quite a bit of time. Instead of having to extrude all new comb, there's quite a bit of comb already extruded here. So that saves them some time. They can spend more time on foraging for nectar instead of building out comb. Now we'll put this hive top feeder back on. Line this up so rain doesn't go inside. And I'm just going to pour a little more sugar water in here. Morning, bee.
Bee is actually one of the farm hands. I was not speaking to my insect bees.
Now the other hives, I'm actually just going to check to see if they have sugar water in here. And then we'll divvy up this sugar water. Amongst those hives. We'll make some more if I do that today. Okay, so this one's, you could use a little bit. There's a few dead bees in here. I'm just going to scoop these girls out. More. Okay. Try not to get sugar water all over the place. It can create robbing situations. Just a little bit more in here. Just a wee bit. Put our weights back on top. This is to keep the hive top from blowing off in a stiff wind. So this guy's completely full. I don't see any of that. Interesting.
When the bees stop consuming the sugar water, it's time to remove the hive top feeders.
And this one's full too, so I'm going to pour the rest of the sugar water into these two hives here.
Thanks for watching. That's it for today. We'll see you next time.